Have you ever cleaned your kitchen or bathroom and noticed the strong chemical smell afterward? It might make the room look shiny, but sometimes it also leaves you with watery eyes or a headache. Many people assume powerful chemicals are the only way to get things truly clean. But what if the safest and easiest cleaning solution is something much simpler? In many homes today, cabinets under the sink are filled with different cleaning products. There's one spray for the kitchen, another for the bathroom, another for glass, and sometimes even more for stains and odors. Over time, these products can add up, both in cost and in the number of chemicals we use around our homes. That's why more people are looking for natural alternatives. Natural cleaning doesn't mean weak cleaning. In fact, several everyday ingredients can do an amazing job at cutting grease, removing stains, and getting rid of bad smells. In this video, we're going to look at simple natural options that can replace many harsh cleaners. These ingredients are affordable, easy to find, and often already sitting in your kitchen. By the end, you'll know how to clean common household areas using safer, simpler solutions. Let's start with one of the most trusted natural cleaners, baking soda. Baking soda has been used in homes for generations because it's gentle but effective. It has a slightly gritty texture that helps scrub surfaces without scratching them. This makes baking soda great for cleaning kitchen sinks. A little sprinkle on a damp sponge can help remove food residue and grease that builds up over time. After a quick scrub and rinse, the sink usually looks brighter and smells fresher. Baking soda is also excellent for removing odors. Instead of just covering up smells, it helps neutralize them. That's why many people place an open box of baking soda in their refrigerator. Another natural cleaner that works extremely well is white vinegar. Vinegar is slightly acidic, which helps break down grease, soap scum, and mineral deposits. It's especially useful in areas where water spots build up. For example, if your kitchen faucet or sink has hard watermarks, spraying a little vinegar on the surface and wiping it with a cloth can help remove the buildup. Many people are surprised at how shiny the surface looks afterward. Vinegar can also help clean glass. Mixing vinegar with water creates a simple window cleaner that leaves fewer streaks than many store-bought sprays. It's a quick and affordable solution for mirrors and windows. Now let's talk about lemon, another powerful natural cleaner. Lemons contain natural acids that help break down grease and remove stains. At the same time, they leave behind a fresh citrus scent. A simple example is cleaning cutting boards. Foods like garlic, onions, and fish can leave strong smells behind. Rubbing half a lemon over the board helps remove both stains and odors. After rinsing with water, the board smells clean again. Lemon can also help clean microwaves. If food splatters dry inside the microwave, they can be tough to remove. Placing a bowl of water with lemon slices inside and heating it for a few minutes creates steam that loosens the dried food. Once the microwave cools slightly, you can wipe the inside with a cloth and the mess usually comes off much easier. Another natural cleaning helper that many people overlook is salt. Salt works because it's slightly rough, making it useful for scrubbing certain surfaces. For example, if a pan has stubborn grease stuck to it, sprinkling salt on the surface and scrubbing with a sponge can help lift the residue. It's a simple trick that cooks have used for years. Let's also talk about something we all deal with in the kitchen, trash can odors. Even with trash bags, smells can build up over time. Sprinkling baking soda at the bottom of the trash can helps absorb those odors. This small habit can keep the kitchen smelling fresher throughout the week. Natural cleaning methods also help reduce clutter. Instead of storing 5 or 6 different cleaning sprays, you can rely on just a few simple ingredients. Baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and salt can handle many common cleaning jobs. Another advantage is that these ingredients are usually inexpensive. Most people already have them at home, which means you don't need to buy special cleaning products. Many people also feel more comfortable using natural cleaners around food preparation areas, like kitchen counters and cutting boards. But here's the biggest secret that makes natural cleaning work so well. It's not just about the ingredients. It's not using them regularly before dirt and odors build up too much. When small messes are cleaned right away, they rarely turn into tough stains. A quick wipe with vinegar, a light scrub with baking soda, or a rinse with lemon water can prevent bigger cleaning problems later. In other words, natural cleaning works best when it becomes part of a simple daily routine. That's why many people who switch to these methods find that cleaning actually becomes easier over time. Instead of fighting tough buildup with strong chemicals, they prevent the mess in the first place. Harsh chemicals are not always necessary to keep your home clean. Simple ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, lemon, and salt can handle many everyday cleaning tasks surprisingly well. They help remove stains, fight odors, and cut grease while keeping your cleaning routine simple and affordable. Sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have been around the longest. If you enjoyed these natural cleaning tips, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple health and home ideas that actually work. We share practical tips that make everyday life easier. Now we'd love to hear from you. What natural ingredient do you use most often when cleaning your home? Share your answer in the comments below.